In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification settings in Todoist. If you're getting too many notifications from Todoist, or maybe not enough, adjusting your notification settings can make a big difference in how you manage your day. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can customize things to match the way you work. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and that you're on the main app screen, such as the Today view. At the top of the page, you'll see your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with either your photo or your initials in it, located in the upper corner of the interface. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is the gateway to all of your personal settings and preferences. When you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It might be near items like Theme, Logout, or Help. Click on Settings to open the full settings window. This is where Todoist keeps all the controls related to your account, appearance, and behavior of the app. Once the settings panel is open, you'll see several sections or tabs along the side or across the top. Depending on the version you're using, look for the section called Notifications. This is the area dedicated specifically to how and when Todoist sends you alerts. Click on Notifications to open that section. Inside the notifications area, you'll be able to review and adjust different types of notifications, such as email alerts, mobile push notifications, and desktop notifications, depending on your setup. Take a moment to scroll through and read each option so you understand what it controls. For example, you might want to keep reminders for due tasks, but turn off less urgent updates to reduce distraction. As you make changes, Todoist will usually save them automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your adjustments. Before closing the settings window, double check that everything reflects your preferences, then simply exit out of the panel and return to your tasks. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, opening settings, and then going into the notifications section, you can fine-tune exactly how Todoist communicates with you, helping you stay focused and only be notified about what truly matters.